Now we shall go with question number 18. Okay, now in order to understand question number 18, okay, identity number 8 tells us, identity number 8 is what? X cube. I'll write it here. X cube plus y cube. Pay attention to this, okay? Z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z, right? Into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now I want you to pay very close attention to this given question and see. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equivalent to this. Okay. The question is a plus b plus c is given, right? We have to find the value of 2 minus a cube plus 2 minus b cube plus 2 minus c cube minus 3 into 2 minus a, 2 minus b, 2 minus c. Now you see. Okay, I'm losing focus. Okay, all right, you see this. Is this formula not similar to this? You look at this. This formula not similar to this? X cube. What is the value of x? So this is like what? 2 minus a. What if I take 2 minus a as x? Right? And 2 minus b as y. And 2 minus c as z. Now you see. 2 minus a is x. 2 minus b is y. 2 minus c is z. That is what I've taken, okay? Alright? Clear? Do you see? That means, what can I write? 2 minus a cube plus 2 minus b cube plus 2 minus c cube minus 3 of 2 minus a, 2 minus b, and 2 minus c. This is equal to, I'll write in the next line, okay? Here, space is less, okay? But I'll write it here. Now see. X cube, 2 minus a cube, similar, same, okay? Y cube, 2 minus b cube, z cube, 2 minus a cube, minus 3 into x. X, here, x. What is here? 3 into 2 minus a. Then y, 2 minus b, and z is 2 minus c. That means this is what have I written here? This is equal to x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, so now you see this is equal to x plus y plus z. That means this is equal to 2 minus a, clear, plus 2 minus b plus 2 minus c. Okay, if you want, you can put a bracket to all of this. All right, I think the space is still small. Plus, what is x square? 2 minus a square. Plus, look at the formula, plus y square. In our case, 2 minus b square. Plus z square. In our case, 2 minus c square. Minus, okay, see, again here. I'm writing it here, okay? Minus x into y. X into y. What is x in our case? 2 minus a into 2 minus b minus y into z. That means 2 minus b and 2 minus c minus z into x. Z into x. Z value 2 minus c and 2 minus a. Clear with this formula? How did we get it? Clear? Be very careful with this. We're asked to find a cube. Okay, we're asked to find this. But for identity number 8 tells us that if you have a x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, this is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Similar, look at this and compare this, okay? Then, since this is the same thing as this given equation, is the same as this, I can say this is equal to x plus y plus z. Okay, that's why I've written here. It is equal to x plus y plus z. What is our value of x? 2 minus a plus 2 minus b plus 2 minus c. Then x square. X is what here? 2 minus a. So x square means 2 minus a square. Y is 2 minus b square plus 2 minus c square. Okay, that is how I've taken, okay? And this value is equal to, now you see, compare with this. This is one line, okay? All of this is one line, okay? till here it is one line. I'm running out of space, that's why I wrote in separate lines, but same line. Okay, I'll keep as it is. Now you look at this, open up the bracket for this. 2 minus a plus 2 minus b plus 2 minus c. Okay, this step was not really needed, but let's either ways write this. 2a square 2 minus b square plus 2 minus c whole thing square minus 2 minus a into 2 minus b. I'm just writing the formula. Minus 2 minus b, 2 minus c, minus 2 minus c, and 2 minus a. Clear? Now let's see what we can do. Okay, 2 plus 2 plus 2. How much? 2 plus 2 plus 2. 6. Minus, okay, should I write it directly or okay, I'll write it. So minus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So we're left with minus a minus b minus c, right? 2 plus 2 plus 2, I've written here 6, minus a minus b minus c remains. Then I'm left with 2 minus a square plus 2 minus b square plus 2 minus c square. Okay, one line only. Okay, all of this 2 minus a, 2 minus b, minus 2 minus b, 2 minus c, minus 2 minus c, and 2 minus a. All right, now you look at this 6. I'll take minus common. Okay, minus is common to both. So what will become if I take minus common? This will become a plus b plus c into 2 minus a square plus 2 minus b whole thing square plus 2 minus c whole thing square minus 2 minus a, 2 minus b. Okay, all of these are the same line. Minus 2 minus b, 2 minus c, minus 2 minus c, 2 minus a. Now I want you to go back to the question. What is a plus b plus c equal to? 6. What did we get here? A plus b plus 6 is equal to 6. That means I can substitute it here. 6 a plus b plus 6 is minus 6. Clear? So finally, see, very easily you can get the answer. 2b square plus 2 minus 6 square. If you think some steps are unnecessary, you can always delete them, okay? But I include all these steps so that everybody can understand. All right, so 2 minus a. Now 6 minus 6, 0 into 2 minus a square plus 2 minus b square plus 2 minus c square minus 2 of a minus 2a, 2 minus a, 2 minus b minus 2 minus b. Okay, now I'm getting space to write all of this in one line. Minus 2 minus c into 2 minus a. Now 0 into all of this, 0 into anything is what? It is 0. Therefore, 2 minus a cube plus 3 minus b cube plus 2 minus c cube minus 3, 2 minus a, 2 minus b, 2 minus c is equal to 0. This is the step, okay? Clear with this? Be careful with this, okay? These are all one line, okay? Only when you see equal sign means that's the next line, okay? Here I could not write all of this in one line, so I have written it in 2 lines, okay? All right? So this is the answer. Okay, that is question number 18. We'll go with question number 19, okay? Question number 19. Okay, question number 19. Question number 19 is factorize 2x plus 3y whole thing cube minus 2x minus 3y whole thing cube. Now, okay, solution. That means 2x plus 3y cube minus 2x minus 3y cube. Now, what is this formula? What is this identity? You go back, question, page number 50 and 51. This is in the form of x plus y whole thing cube. And this is x minus y whole thing cube. So what is x plus y whole thing cube? I can write it as, okay, so wait, let me, instead of confusing you, we'll first write separately, okay? Like I'm telling you, okay, you can write them at one go, okay? But I want all of you to understand, all of you in the class, I want you to understand. That's right, 2x plus 3, I'm just considering one, okay? Then we'll substitute. That is a cube, x cube plus 3y cube plus 3 into 2x 3y into 2x plus 3y. Okay, this is in the form of x cube. X plus y the whole thing cube. The formula is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Okay, clear with this? So x cube plus y cube, this and this, and then 3xy, 3 into 2x into 3y into x plus y. Okay, so now what will be this? 2x cube, it is 8x cube, 3y cube, this is 27y cube. Okay, don't get confused with this. These are all basic things. See, 3y cube means 3y into 3y into 3y, right? Now 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27, y into y into y cube. That is how I get 27y cube. Okay, plus, you see this, okay? What I'll do here is, in order to avoid confusion as such, okay, I'll first see 3 into 6, we'll just multiply everything. Okay, 3 into 6, 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 3, 18xy into 2x plus 3y. Clear with this? Now keep on expanding. Okay, plus 27y cube plus 18xy into 2x plus 18xy into 3y. So 8x cube plus 27y cube plus, now you look at this, 18 into 2, 36, x into x, x square, y only one time, plus 18 into 3, 54, x one time, y into y square. Ready till this much? Now what do we have to substitute again? 2x minus y cube. Okay, I'm writing this step so that we won't make mistakes. So this is in the form of x minus y cube. This is x minus y whole thing cube. The formula is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Clear with this? Identity number 7. Okay, I'm telling you, learn the formulas. Without that, you will not be able to do any problems from this exercise. Okay, so what can I write this as? 2x cube minus 3y cube minus 3 into 2x into 3y into 2x minus 3y. Okay, this becomes 8x cube, and this becomes 27y cube minus 18xy, right? 3 into 6, 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 3, 18xy, 2x minus 3y. Okay, here be careful with the sign. Okay, be very careful with the sign when you're multiplying. Minus 18xy into 2x, opening up the bracket. Okay, minus 18xy into, what is here? What is the sign? Minus 3y. Okay, so I have to write minus 3y here. This is where students can make mistake. Okay, minus 27y cube minus, this becomes 18 into 2, 36, x into x, x square y. Minus into minus, plus 18 into 3, 54, x, y into y, y square. Therefore, finally, we can write 2x plus 3y cube minus 2x minus 3y cube as what? What is 2x plus 3y cube equal to? It is equal to 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54x y square. Now, what is the sign remaining? Minus, what is 2x minus 3y cube? You're getting it as, you put minus here, okay? And put it under bracket so that we don't make confusion, we don't make mistakes, okay? 2, okay, minus is here. What is 2x minus 3y cube? It is 8x cube minus 27y cube minus 36xy square plus 54xy square. Okay, many students will make the mistake here, okay? But see, you have to put minus here, and you have, this is under bracket, so put a bracket here, okay? That means, next thing, what do we get? 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54xy square minus into 8, this one, minus 8x cube, minus into minus, plus 27y cube, minus into minus, plus 36xy square, minus into plus, minus 54xy square. 8x cube minus 8x cube, cancel. Minus 54xy square plus 54xy square, cancel. So what you're left with, 27y cube plus 27y cube, 54y cube, plus 36x square y, 36x square y. What is this? 72x square y. Clear? The rest, you cannot do anything with it, okay? Here, everything is cancelled out already, okay? So the next thing, what will you do? See, now you think properly. What is the value common to both? Okay, y is appearing, y here, y only 1 times, but here y 3 times. So what you have to take? We have to take only y 1 times, okay? Because see, y here 1 time, here 3 times. So common means 1 time at least it's appearing to both, okay? At least 1 time. Now you think 54 and 72. Okay? Be very good with calculation, okay? I'm telling you. Alright? What about 18th? See, we'll do one thing. We'll first stick with 2 and we'll gradually work out. Okay? Alright? So we'll first take with 2 and then we'll keep on trying to factorize it. Okay? So we'll take 2. Okay? It's long cut. But it would save. It will take time. Okay? So, okay, let's just leave it. Let's take 18. Okay? And this, you'll get it as, if you take 18 into 3 is what? 54 y square. So that means 18 into 3, 54, y into y square, y cube, plus 18 into 4 is 72. Now 18y, so x square. That means you look at this. 18 into 4, 72, x square, here x square, y from here. Clear? So this is the answer, okay? Alright? Okay, so we'll go with the last question for this exercise. Okay, if you want 54 and 72, 2 1s are 2, 2 are 4, 2 7s 14, 2 3 are 16, 2 6 12, then you have 3 3 into 9, 3 1s 3 and 3 2. Now you have 3 into 4. Okay, okay, this does not prove anything either ways. Okay, so never mind. Okay, so 18y, 18 is common to both. Okay, so we're taking this way. All right, so in case if you're confused, you can first try taking it with 2 and keep on multiplying it, okay, and see where you'll go. All right, see, even from here you can just understand. I don't know if some of you can get it. It'll be very good. You see, okay, after this, you see you're left with 3 and 4. You cannot, there's no common value between them, right? That means these two numbers, 54 and 72, can be multiplied. That means can be multiplied by what number? What is 3 into 3? 9. 9 into 2 is what? 18. By 18. Okay? Clear with this? So see, you take 54 and 72, take LCM. You stop at 3 and 4. You cannot take any value, right? There's no value common to both where you can divide both numbers. So what you do is, that means you see 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 2 is 18. That means 18 is the number which will divide 54 and 72. Now you see 18 can divide 54 and 72, and what are you left with? You're left with 3 and 4. What happens here? 3 and 4 is appearing here also. Okay, so you can just try this trick if you have huge values. Okay, all right, now lastly we'll go with question number 20. Is also the same. Okay, question number 20, it is given a plus b plus c is 3x. Now you see, okay, go back to identity number 8. What is identity number 8? Same thing, okay, as question number 18. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equivalent to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square plus x minus xy minus yz and minus zx. Okay, this is the given formula. What are we asked to find? We are asked to find x minus a cube plus x minus b cube. Now look at this. We have done a question similar to this. Okay, so do not make mistake when this question is asked. It's a very simple question. Okay, this is what we have to find. What is the value of this? Now you see x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy is equal to this. What is this? X cube, x minus a cube plus x minus b cube, isn't this similar to this? X cube, y cube, z cube minus 3xyz. 3 minus x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. Therefore, I can write this. Therefore, okay, x minus a cube plus x minus b cube plus x minus c cube minus 3x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. This is equal to x plus y plus z. What is x here? That is curly bracket x minus a, okay, plus what is y? X minus b plus what is z? X minus c bracket x square, x minus a square, y square, x minus b square plus z square. Okay, I'm writing it here. Okay, z square is what? X minus c square. Clear with this? Okay, let's see. Minus what is x? X minus a. And what is y? X minus b minus y. What is y? X minus b, x minus c, minus z will be x minus c, and a is finally x minus a. Clear with this? Now this is equal to, okay, I'm not writing this question, but this is equal to, you see, open up the bracket, what do you get? X minus a plus x minus b plus x minus c. Clear? Okay, no curly bracket, and you'll be left with x minus a square plus x minus b square plus x minus c. Don't bring any changes to this, okay? When this question is asked, don't complicate, okay? Don't complicate the solution by expanding. Keep this as it is, okay? Okay, you'll get it. Now you look x plus x plus x. What is it? 3x. Okay, remember, we're talking about addition, not multiplication. So that means x plus x plus x is 3x. Okay, that means see 1 1. But what is x into x into x? Multiplication. That means x cube. See the difference? X plus x plus x, x plus x plus x, 3x, x into x into x, x cube. Be clear, okay? Don't make the difference. Don't write x plus x as x cube. Do not write this even by mistake. That means you haven't understood anything. Okay, so be careful with this. Okay, see the difference, know the difference. Multiplication, addition. Clear? Now you see 3x. I'll take minus direct, and what I'll get? A plus b plus c. Because when I open up the bracket, minus into a, minus into plus, minus b, minus into c. Okay, like the previous question. So I'm just cutting some few steps, okay? If you've understood question number 18, then there are some steps you can easily skip, okay? So do not complicate by expanding. Just leave this as it is. X minus b, x minus c, minus x minus c, and x minus a. Clear? Now you look at this. This is 3x minus, what is given in the question? A plus b plus c is what? 3x. A plus b plus c can be written as 3x. Now I think you already know the answer, right? X minus b whole thing square plus x minus c whole thing square minus x minus a, x minus b minus x minus a b. From here, right, some of you, if you don't want to write the next step directly, you can write it equal to 0, okay? Because what do you get? 3x minus 3x is what? 0 into, you can write all of this if you want, or you can just straight away write it as 0, okay? Your marks will not be deducted for that, okay? So x minus a, x minus b, but it's understood. Much more than marks, it's understood, okay? X minus c, x minus c, x minus a. Now 0 into anything of this, do not pay attention. 0 into any of this, what it will be? 0. Okay, and why is this 0? Because see, this is under one bracket only. All this term is under one bracket. Which bracket? The curly bracket. Okay, all right, so clear with this. So the answer is 0. Okay, so this is question number 20. All right, so that finishes our exercise 2.5, and that completes our chapter 2.